Society mein art is very important, which people don't realize that unless a personality, a human being is nurtured through the arts, it's never going to be a full personality. Never.
Shri Gurubhyo Namah, this is Vinay Tiwari and welcome to Personalities Through One Lens. And today I have one of my most favorite artists, Madhvi Madgal ji.
The greatest of musicians would come and stay with us, you know. So that just being with them, listening to them, talking to them, eating with them, playing with them also. When you saw the amount of work in terms of music education, in terms of reaching out to people, because when he started in Delhi in 39, there was absolutely no atmosphere of classical music and dance. And he had to almost persuade people to send their children to learn. How easy or difficult, because whenever my father was on any particular committee, तो वहाँ तो मिलती ही नहीं थी 100%. One is always inspired or, you know, influenced by every experience that you have, whether listening to music, seeing another dance form, watching a painting, seeing a theatrical presentation. आपको असर होता ही है. The society has to wake up to this. Because you can't expect government to be supporting, you know,
everyone.
But that won't come unless there is appreciation for the art.
Right.
You know, they should want to go and see a performance, not because कि भाई उनको वो उसके चाचा की लड़की है तो मेरे को जाना है. इसलिए नहीं जाना है. We have to somehow develop a discriminating audience. That is the crux of the matter. Uska essence of our classical dance is in solo form.
Right.
To be a soloist, you have to be at the topmost level.
Correct.
Mediocrity में गड़बड़ हो जाती है. People think, oh ऐसा ही है ओडिसी, अच्छा फिर हमें नहीं जाएंगे अगली बार. It can be a very young dancer but very good.
Good dancer, right.
I have a group, but all of them can do solos.
Right.
You know, they can do a proper 2-hour recital. Nobody asks for 2 hours. अभी 10-15 मिनट कर दो. Solo भी होगा, आप 15 मिनट करो. You will never grow. I mean, an artist will never grow. We have made our life like what it is today. You know, there's so much pressure. Everybody has to score more than 100%. You can really enjoy now living in a 5-star. You can really enjoy because kahan dharamchala mein kahin reh jao. We had a 15-day every day performances.
Wow.
And people would come back day after day after day. I mean, it was an amazing... I can't imagine this kind of and they would cry, you know, imagine touch. Guru tells you that you have the possibility of becoming a soloist, keep to it. एकदम से performance मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, but if you're really good you will find. कोई छोटे टाउन में बहुत talented बच्चा है, अब उसको कैसे पता कि कौन सा कहाँ, बाई चांस कुछ हो किसी इंटरव्यू में कोई ये, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है.
Why do you think art is relevant in the contemporary world and why it is very important to actually think about how it can help the world in the modern time?
I think see, money is required to live, khana, pina, rehna, it's required, but to live, to have a soul, you need art.
Shri Gurubhyo Namah, this is Vinay Tiwari and welcome to Personalities Through One Lens. This is an interview series where I am meeting with the artist who I really feel inspired by and want to understand how they perceive this wonderful wisdom of art and knowledge. And today I have one of my most favorite artists, Madhvi Madgal ji. Namaskar Didi, thank you so much first of all.
Namaskar Vinay.
Accepting this invite, because I always wanted to speak so much about art and your journey, and especially when I see you, the simplicity. So it always kind of made me ask you, what is it goes behind her? So how are you doing? First, we'll start with that.
I'm well, thank you.
So my first question would be, we all know that you come from a family which has so many great artists. And if I would say the Indian art forms today we see, there is a big contribution of your family itself. How it was for you to be grown among such legends, and how do you see they have kind of given you a narrative or the way they have kind of transform you? And also to the another layer, did you ever felt like there is any kind of, pressure or kind of that I have to prove kind of a situation when you are growing among such legendary people around you?
No, I would say otherwise. I was inspired by the great legends. और उस वक्त जब शुरू किया था, when I was dancing, I was just dancing. Dancer बनना है ऐसी कोई वो नहीं थी. सभी आसपास वाले या गाना सीख रहे थे या डांस सीख रहे थे, तो हम भी सीख रहे थे. परफॉर्मेंस भी होती थी, मतलब बचपन में जैसी होती हैं, तो कि डांसर ही बनना है, डांस करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये पता था. दैट्स ऑल आई न्यू, दैट आई लव टू डांस. एंड I grew up, as you said, in an atmosphere totally steeped in music and dance. So it was somehow natural, but it was not natural कि आप artist ही बनोगे.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं था. Artists सब, the greatest of musicians would come and stay with us, So that just being with them, listening to them, talking to them, eating with them, playing with them also, it was an experience that through osmosis you learn the magnanimity, their generosity, their simplicity, as you said. They were all, most of them were simple people, but on stage they were something totally else. So as a child, Pandit Omkarnath Thakur, he was very fond of me. He used to, so अब उनके साथ हम खेल रहे हैं, हम कितने छोटे थे, तो ये नहीं पता था कि ये कितने बड़े, but we used to hear them singing. So all that kind of thing, I think, went into dance also just happened, we just dancing since the age of on stage since the age of 4.
Wow.
तो मतलब ऐसा performance नहीं, it was a competition which I won, and Shankar's international dance competition होता था, theatre competition. So dance was a part of it. So I think being with the greatest of gurus, both in music and in the dance world, has shown me the path and has led me to where I am today.
Also the second part of the question is, and मुझे ये समझ में आता है कि जब आप छोटे हो तो समझ में नहीं आता है, बट जब आप बड़े होते हो थोड़े से, तो कोई ऐसा प्रेशर या कुछ भी ऐसा फील हुआ कभी भी कि ओ आई कम फ्रॉम, और एनी मोमेंट वेयर यू फेल्ट कि ओ कि मैं इनकी बेटी हूँ, या ये मेरा परिवार है, या ये लोग वाकई ऐसे हैं जिनको पूरी दुनिया देख रही है, ऐसा कोई ऐसा मोमेंट है जहाँ पे ये रियलाइज हुआ?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, कि बल्कि अब इतने सालों के बाद ये रियलाइज होता है कि हम कहाँ थे, हमने क्या मतलब हमारे घर में कोई किसी की ऐसे तारीफ या कुछ, या मेरे फादर की मैंने ये किया वो किया, कुछ भी नहीं, So now when I see when we were doing our 75 years of Vidyalayas,
wow,
then you saw the amount of work in terms of music education, in terms of reaching out to people, because when he started in Delhi in 39, there was absolutely no atmosphere of classical music and dance, and he had to almost persuade people to send their children to learn. And then slowly it has gone so big. Anywhere in the world I go, I meet somebody, oh, we used to learn at the Vidyalaya with your mother, then we used to eat paranthas there. I mean, it was so it is so heartening that it was like a family for everybody who came to learn there.
And also a world community they have created, and he created.
Absolutely. All over the world, you'll find students who are trained at the Vidyalaya.
Correct. Also, when I think about the women performers, we have always seen that it has been dominated a lot by the women performers. But when I see the time, actually, women were not very commonly working in that cultural, social generation.
True.
तो महिलाओं का काम करना आज के भारत में भी बहुत कॉमन नहीं है. आज भी ऐसी फैमिलीज हैं जहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि they have to struggle, they have to fight. How it was then as a professional, when I'm talking about जब आपने इसको कि हाँ मैं यही है जो जीवन में करना चाहती हूँ. How was your experience? How was it difficult, or was it easy, or how it was for you?
It was both. It was difficult and easy. Easy in the sense that I had the background in terms of music and that kind of thing. But difficult because when I started actually performing 70s, pretty young, but they were stars. Yamini ji, Sonal ji, Yoma Sharma ji. In Delhi, they were real stars. So there was no place for youngsters as it is today.
Okay.
So it was, but it was not a struggle. Things just happened, It was difficult to get performances, but हमें जब मिलती थी तो मिलती थी. In fact, how easy or difficult, because whenever my father was on any particular committee, तो वहाँ तो मिलती ही नहीं थी 100%.
Yeah, those days parents used to like
हाँ, नहीं, he couldn't recommend my name being on the committee. So उल्टा ही हो जाता था.
So nepotism used to work actually against you.
Yes. So yeah, but also I received a lot of love from all quarters, and slowly, because I think we were not ambitious कि भाई ये हो जाए वो हो जाए वो हो जाए. आप करो और वो होता रहा. I would say I'm really lucky. चीज़ें होती रहीं और समय पे चलता ही रहा. अच्छा चला. हाँ, difficult struggle in terms of I was doing Kathak professionally in a very big way. And then suddenly I saw Odissi and I wanted to do Odissi. Odissi in terms of musicians getting the whole orchestra together. In Kathak it was very easy in terms of compositions, in terms of musicians.
There was a base available for
the base was available.
Right.
And Odissi in Delhi.
You had to create in Delhi.
Everything.
Right. And that is the reason why I started with saying that the way we see classical art and music, there is a very big actually contribution of the family, you and the whole system to create that in Delhi. Also now, as you mentioned, you have learned different dance form, and there is as a dancer, there is a very unique thing happening in this time in the world of dance. What I notice as a dancer, young dancer myself, a lot of time we are trying to take elements of other dance forms. कि ये कुचिपुड़ी का अच्छा है, let me take. ये कथक का अच्छा है, let me take. Especially you, when you have been trained in Bharatanatyam and in Kathak, you have literally been a performer as well for a very long time, and then completely learning a new art form, Odissi, as we all know. So what I say is, how do you see this part? How do you go through it? Okay, I know Kathak everything, but I choose not to do it when I'm doing Odissi.
Yeah.
Because we are seeing this. Maybe people are going through this phase where so much available, so much visual memory is there that people like, okay, for example, Bharatanatyam, they don't want to do simple tate teta dhitte teta. They want to add something.
Disappeared.
Yeah. So how do you see this? What is your thought about this taking away from the other art form? How do you see this whole concept of?
I would like to begin this by saying that one is always inspired or, influenced by every experience that you have, whether listening to music, seeing another dance form, watching a painting, seeing a theatrical presentation. आपको असर होता ही है. आप अगर डांसर हैं तो आपका बड़ा मन होता है कि उसमें से आप
क्या ले सकते हैं.
बट चुराना अलग बात है. उससे इंस्पायर होके कुछ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एलिमेंट इम्बाइब करना अलग बात है.
राइट.
अगर आप सेंसिटिव हैं तो वो अपने आप हो जाएगा.
राइट.
अब ये नहीं है कि अगर आप कथक से इंस्पायर्ड हैं तो आपको चक्कर लेने पड़ेंगे.
राइट.
अपने भरतनाट्यम में जो हो रहा है आजकल जरा ज़्यादा चक्कर भी हो रहे. इंस्पायर और कॉपी, ये दो अलग चीज़ें हैं. आप कोई भी देखो, अब भरतनाट्यम में इतना हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक हो रहा है, तबला हो रहा है, तो इधर का उधर वैसे होता ही रहता है. मतलब किस हद तक उसको लेना, ये कलाकार पे निर्भर है. ये मेरे ख्याल अभी इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है कि वो फिर धीरे धीरे प्योरिटी को भी अप्रिशिएट किया जाएगा.
करेक्ट. अच्छा, सो या दैट इज अ गुड पॉइंट. यू आर सेइंग कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन सो मच दैट इवेंचुअली पीपल वांट टू कम बैक टू ये कि मुझे हिंदुस्तानी में नहीं देखना है, मुझे उड़िया म्यूजिक पे ही उड़िया डांस देखना है, ना कि other style of, which is so true. Next I would say कि we all know a dancer is dancing so much. What I always talk to if someone is my student, like कि the dance I am doing is what Bharatnatyam, what my gurus are doing is Bharatnatyam, and what you are doing is also Bharatnatyam. The same adav, the same step. But you have to build a relationship with the art form itself. So if I ask you dance and Madhvi Madgalji, what is that relationship you share with the dance? If you can define in a human form, for example, he is my, friend or whatever. People have these creative ideas.
It's my life.
It's your life.
Dance, I cannot imagine living without it.
Right.
Performance is not it.
Right.
Thinking about it, teaching, creating. There's so many aspects to Indian classical dance. Dance is my life, my companion.
My companion. How beautiful. So when you say dance is your companion, we come to this modern world where so much is happening. I am the last person to complain about social media because I myself do it. But we always think about it, how far is so far and too far? And in this changing world where there is so much going on, people always have this question, why do I care about it? And recently one, question on social media, I know if you have come across or not, got ki no one cares about ballet, which is a Western classical dance form. And I was thinking about in a perspective of Indian classical dance form, a lot of time people sometimes they don't recognize what is Kathak, Bharatnatyam, and they just... So why do you think art is relevant in the contemporary world, and why it is very important to actually think about how it can help the world in the modern time?
I think, money is required to live, khana, pina, rehna. It's required. But to live, to have a soul, you need art.
Right.
Whether it's dance or music or literature, unless that is nurtured in a personality, your living is not complete. You'll always find something khali. You see, aajkal kya hai? People want, and why not? If they can earn lakh something per month, why not? They do that. But
Right.
they work at hours where they have no life of their own, no thinking for themselves, no, it's just, running after money, time, ye, wo. तो अपने लिए नहीं, अपनी सोल के लिए.
Right.
Society में art is very important, which people don't realize. That unless a personality, a human being is nurtured through the arts,
Right.
it's never going to be a full personality. Never.
Right. So
Any kind of art.
So it is for the soul, not for the out. What do you mean by that?
Yeah,
Something like
it's unfortunately dance aisa hai ki it has to be the human form.
Right.
Music also comes through human form, but it's so abstract that you just listen to the music. Dance mein is the only form where the human, like sculpture will make a sculpture, वो sculpture आप देखोगे, painting आप देखोगे, कोई artist का काम देखोगे.
Right.
Dance में आप artist को भी देखते हो. Of course, a good artist will submerge so much that you will just see the art form and not the
person.
Not the person.
Right.
So that is the quality of our Indian classical dance.
Right.
You see, I'll give an example of my Guruji, Guru Kalchan Mahapatra.
Right.
He traveled all over the world with me. So, and I would request him to do an Ashtapadi wherever we went. Ab batao, nobody knows Radha Krishna, and they were given the text, but every single person in the audience would be so deeply touched by what he did. So what was it? It was an art. The art. He was not a personality
Right,
ऐसे सुंदर और ये और वो बड़ा खूबसूरत सा लड़का ऐसा नहीं, old man, bald, not such a but lovely body,
Right.
and the art spoke through it. That is the importance of art.
Right. So you just actually the next question what I was thinking about is about the finance, and why I'm saying it. It is also coming from somewhere in my own experience. Being a male dancer from North India, where dance was actually not part of my childhood.
Not at all.
It was me who decided that I want to become a dancer, and by then I was already 16 or 17. And when we come here, when we start from scratch in this age, and by the time if we go through proper training, it takes minimum 12 to 13 years
Easily.
before you step and start calling you, ki, I have just started performing. And then you are in your age, you are almost like 25, 27, 28. And the world hits you, like the responsibilities, the family and other thing. And a lot of time we see that artists are struggling with the finances. A lot of time people are struggling with the finances. How do you think it also impact and kind of harm, or what it does to the art? A lot of time you see sometimes, you've been teaching from many years, and those young kids who are doing very good, but then life happened. They say life happened. So how do you see this entire situation of, and also the pay gap, how people, especially for dance, I've seen whatever the dancers are earning, usually it goes away.
More than that.
Yeah.
If you earn 10,000, you spend 25,000 for musicians.
So how do you see the entire situation?
Yes, there is some kind of, total lacuna in terms of the financial security for a dancer.
Right.
Or for any artist for that matter, even a painter, unless you become famous.
Right.
Even if you become famous, it's dance that doesn't give you money.
Correct.
So I don't know how the society has to wake up to this, because you can't expect government to be supporting,
everyone.
But that won't come unless there is appreciation for the art.
Right.
They should want to go and see a performance, not because कि भाई उनको वो उसके चाचा की लड़की है तो मेरे को जाना है, इसलिए नहीं जाना है. मुझे भरतनाट्यम देखना है, मुझे कथक देखना है. ये कैसे आएगा जब तक परिवार में उसका इनकलकेट नहीं हो? मतलब ये नहीं कि यू हैव टू लर्न डांस, बट लव फॉर आर्ट्स, लव फॉर एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बिकॉज नाउ ऑल्सो जो बहुत अच्छा डांसर है और जो बेकार डांसर है, ज़रा वो फ्लैशी है, तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं करते ऑडियंस.
राइट.
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, दे मस्ट लर्न टू नो कि भाई ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये ठीक है.
But more work need to be done in this one or something.
So there is too much of dance happening and very few quality things. I'm not saying that the dancers are not sincere. They're very sincere. They are dedicated. And despite all difficulties, if you love dance, you just dance.
Right.
It's something like that. So we have to somehow develop a discriminating audience. That is the crux of the matter. Because some places you see, some cities, Calcutta, Bombay, Chennai. There is,
Also, I was just thinking from the perspective of dance, what we are seeing nowadays is a lot of group performance. There is demand for, okay, group mein bhej dijiye. I don't know whether it's cheaper for the organizers or they don't feel like कि अब एक solo artist को हम क्यों दे, अगर वो बोलता है कि musician के साथ हम 1 लाख लेंगे. I mean, that's so imagination. I'm just saying 1 lakh. What my point is, कि even if a solo artist is asking for 40,000, imagine, कि भाई I have a musician to pay, I have to do this. They would not prefer that. Rather, they are just saying, okay, do a recorded music for 15 minutes and do a group performance. Do you think the soul of dance, why I'm asking you, because I remember you said once that soul of dance is in the solo performance.
Absolutely,
so how do
I
you
believe in it. So
how do you see this situation where the solos are relatively getting lesser and lesser, and specifically still I can see in Kathak, especially in Delhi, there are many, and if you go to Chennai, Bharatanatyam we see, but still it's very less, especially the solo.
No, that's true. It's कि हमारा बहुत बड़ा स्टेज है, आप ग्रुप चाहिए. Okay, large stages, Khajuraho, Konark, you can put up a group, but uska essence of our classical dance is in solo form.
Right.
It is absolutely in solo form. But to be a soloist, you have to be at the topmost level.
Correct.
Mediocrity में गड़बड़ हो जाती है. That's why people think, oh, ऐसा ही है ओडिसी, अच्छा फिर हमें नहीं जाएंगे अगली बार.
Right.
So you have to be really, it can be a very young dancer but very good.
Good dancer, right. True.
So it's not कि age या maturity की बात नहीं है. Mature at different stages in dancers life, you have जो एक 20-22 साल की लड़की करेगी उसका एक अलग चार्म है.
Correct.
जो एक 35 साल की जिसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ेगी, फिर धीरे धीरे धीरे, you see, then somebody like Guruji you see.
Right.
Or somebody like us, oldies like us.
No, but I think that is the beauty of also Indian classical art forms. I feel ki what a 30-year body can do might not the 71 can do, but the soul what 70 can bring might not the 31 can
Yes.
bring. And that is the beauty, because I have seen Maharaj ji or Kanak Rele ji, I had the opportunity to watch, or Saroja Guruji, to just sitting on that, and just doing bhav. I don't think so any other wisdom of art form has worldwide. If you see, Indian art has that rich quality what it brings. So do you miss doing more solo performances? I'm just also want to if you, what do you think?
Yeah, I miss solo dance being presented nicely on stage.
Right.
Yeah, it should be, and wherever possible, I try, even for my youngsters to have solo possibilities. I have a group, but all of them can do solos.
Right.
They can do a proper 2-hour
Margam.
recital. Nobody asks for 2 hours. Abhi 10-15 minute kar do. Solo bhi hoga, 15 minute karo. You will never grow. I mean, an artist will never grow, and the audience will never grow, because just थोड़ा सा इधर थोड़ा सा उधर का बिट, ये उससे नहीं होता. There is a progression ना, धीरे 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 you build up something. राग होता है, आलाप होता है, उसके स्ट्रक्चर है, धीरे 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 बढ़ता है. तो हर that is, I miss solo dance form should be given more importance, but for that the artist has to be really, really of quality.
So that you can sit
Young
for 2
or
hours and
old.
watch.
Huh?
So you can sit for 2 hours and actually watch that for 2 hours.
2 hours नहीं, चलो 1
एक
hour
घंटा.
भी आप सोलो तो दो.
Right. Also, because now you've been teaching from many years, do you see the way students come and interact with you? Because I remember speaking to my Guruji, and there's the students never used to come, or the way you used to interact with Guruji. How do you see any change? What is your experience in past years? How do you see students when they come to you, and do you see any different with the time and the way?
Yeah, you see how times have changed remarkably.
Right. Okay.
It's very different now from what we were. But I would still say that people who come to learn dance, they have a different, something inside. Of course, they are different. Of course, they can relate to me. They can talk to me. We can say hi. We can go and eat golgappas together.
Wow.
That's a different matter.
Were you able to do it with your guru as well?
I would take him to, but no, we couldn't talk
So
like
much.
that. We didn't. Here, we are questioned a lot, which is all right. But questioning for the sake of questioning, because you've been told to question everything, I think a young student should keep on learning till the guru brings you to a point where he can ask you to question.
Right.
He will lead you to a point where you'll be free to ask questions. So वो दृष्टि प्रदान करना एक बहुत.
Also, it is also saying that, do you even know what is the right question?
Exactly.
क्या आपको पता है कि आपको पूछना क्या है? That's another thing. Now, Didi, I just wanted to ask, the world is going through so much right now. There is chaos everywhere. And the new terms have come across, like talking about mental health. I mean, physical health as a dancer, of course, we have to take care of. People are talking about mental health, anxiety is there going on. There is a pressure of so much. How do you see that, and how you dealt with all those anxieties or whatever pressure in an era where there was also, today it's so much judgment, if you put one picture there are 1,000 comments or whatever is going on. How do you see dance? Do you think dance can be a way of healing people, or if not, how do you see this situation?
I told you that dance is food for soul.
Right.
So dance and music can certainly heal. Those involved in the arts, even if they have problems, it can, heal that aspect. I think a lot of dance therapy is being done through classical and other movement patterns. So dance will surely, music and dance can be a big aid in taking away the anxiety. Life we have made our life like what it is today. You know, there's so much pressure. Everybody has to score more than 100% to get into any decent college.
Right.
So, ye pressure, wo pressure, coaching, uske, despite that, there are young people who come to learn like mad. It's difficult for them.
Right. We have created so much. I feel sometimes we have now cars, we have flights, we have machines to wash our clothes, but still no one has time.
No one has time. Are, even Guruji would travel by train.
Right.
2 nights,
I was
1
about
day.
to come there.
All the students, we would go by train. Abhi to hamare students ko bhi flight se jana hai.
Right.
हाँ जी.
So how do you think, how do you remember those experiences where first class or flight was not the first possibility?
Oh, unreserved also.
Acha.
We have traveled, we've done everything. And I think that experience, when I recall, it makes you so much richer. You
Right.
can really enjoy now living in a 5-star. You can really enjoy, because kahan dharamshala mein kahin reh jao aap.
Right.
Matlab, when we started,
Right,
70s
right.
and all, it was not so easy. In fact, there were no clean hotels in small towns.
Correct. That is
So
why
many,
what I ask you, how it was like being a woman, especially when still we see train situation when there are no clean washroom and there are
exactly.
no proper ways of sanitary and other things. Do you remember any experience where because a lot of young girls are in this field and it's difficult. I mean, there is so much.
Today it's still
Still
very,
there.
very different.
Right.
I mean, it is
at least we're
much
talking.
from our times. It is different, and we always have. If I'm with my girls, I'm always taking care of them.
Right.
You know, that they have the right place. They have. So it is different. It was different, but you learned.
Right.
You learned to be with what was available.
Correct.
Difficult. It was not so easy all the time. And if you're not used to it, if you probably come from a little more affluent background, you need clean bathrooms, clean sheets. Clean sheets or clean bathroom was a big deal. Yeah.
Wow. So also one thing also I would like to ask you, somewhere I heard ki the great artists are not born, they're created. They're created by the support, the gurus and the surrounding. How do you see that the atmosphere of a student, how much it helps to nourish a child to be what they want to become? Do you think that the surrounding has it? A lot of time people are these days talking about cutting off toxicity. In our terms, they're saying, okay, we don't want to go. How do you see that? How do you feel about it? Are we becoming too sensitive that we can't even take criticism from our own guru sometimes? People come across, how she can say, he can say, whatever. How do you see, what is the difference between a toxicity and giving a review which might really help you? How do you see this? Because
constructive criticism is always, should be always welcome.
Right.
Because when you dance, you don't see yourself. आप कितना भी mirror के सामने कर लें, एक स्टेज पे डांस करना एक अलग बात है. So people you trust, people you think will give the right opinion.
Right.
Because I don't know, I'm not on social media, so whatever anybody says, obviously I'm sure it hurts.
Correct. Any random person can come and comment.
But you have put yourself in that situation. Right. So you have to face that, I guess. Right. You have to face. But too much of the social media is also I tell the students, I think there is some Insta that they've made.
Instagram.
So I say only dance pictures, only information about performance and nothing
Correct.
else.
Yes.
That it's useful. You can't put an ad in the paper, it's so expensive.
Right.
Through this medium, people can, that kind of thing they should have. But there are instant dancers. आप एक मिनट की क्लिप आपके इतने likes होगे तो आप बहुत dancer बन गए.
Correct. So true. I was talking to someone and they approached me through the Instagram video and I told them clearly, listen, please don't expect what I do on Instagram is I'm going to do on stage.
Yes.
You should know that Instagram is something which is my profession as a media person. I do interviews, I do photography. When you talk about Bharatanatyam, I will send you a 50-minute link of my performance. Please watch it and still decide whether you want to do it or not. Okay, by coming almost where if I ask you who in the journey of this year, being an artist, being a student of dance, who are the other dance performers or gurus you really wished that I could have watched them more, or you missed them? I wish they were performing so we could.
Even more, huh?
Yeah, like your favorite artist in the generation who are not here right now with us.
You know, I'm lucky. I saw Bala dance.
Okay.
Maharaj Ji, to, of course,
course.
forever. I've seen Guruji dance. They're legends. Because these are the people who have shaped the dance that we have
Correct.
today.
Right.
You know, of course, I never saw Rukmini Devi dance. I think very few could have.
Yes.
But I met her.
Right.
I met these great legends. So I forgot what the question was.
Question was, do you miss them? Who was your one of?
Miss them. I miss that because I think young people today don't have that kind of ideal in front of them.
Right,
Such towering personalities, we had them.
Correct.
You know, even established dancers before us, we would go and watch and, you know, be inspired. So very few such people are there now that, you know, young people can look up to and, you know, really, because they're too, I think there are many more than they were before.
Right, yeah.
But actually, if you see, you can really count them on tips of your fingers, ना? अगर कितने ओडिसी में हैं, कितने कथक में हैं, कितने नाम आपको नहीं मिलेंगे इतने.
Right. The quantity has increased, but the quality you were talking
hundreds
about.
of dances. Yes.
Correct. Okay, so I also always think about, I know you have studied architect, right?
Architecture.
Yeah, architecture. And so it became actually difficult with you because I already know what you have studied. And you have also learned Bharatanatyam and Kathak. So now I don't know how to frame this. If not all three things, Bharatanatyam, Kathak and architect, how do you see yourself? What are the possibilities of seeing Madhavi Madgilji doing any other things in life?
I don't think I would have been anything else. Architect, I would have probably been. I love to design, but उसके जो बाकी जो सब काम होते हैं ना, वो जरा I didn't. Anyway, it was a very good training for me because it helped me in dance also.
Correct.
You know, the feeling of space, the rhythm of space, everything. It helped me, and probably it can be seen in my group work or even solo work. You know, so I think I would have been a dancer always.
Wow. Also, I feel, Madhvi Didi, I have seen a lot of your student work, and I love the way it's the synchronization, the composition, the everything. And also you were one of those students who were actually part of that group when actually your Guruji was kind of fixing everything around the dance form. Kind of things were happening. So now when you create something, what is your recent work would you say is like, you really enjoyed doing it and you really like, is there any choreography you would like to share, any thought about when you choreograph, what goes in the head? How do you perceive any piece? Because
it's
that's
very difficult to see. Often asked question, but very difficult to see how you perceive it. A lot of it is intuition, you know, but it comes, of course, from being rooted in the form, being rooted in music. Music is one of the impulses that makes creation possible for me. You know, it opens your mind in creating the structure of tal, many things like space. So it's difficult to say how you think. It's intuitive, but music.
Any work is your favorite? Like you enjoyed any production?
It's very difficult to say कि ये मेरा कौन सा बच्चा ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
You have to choose. They say there is always a favorite child.
No, you see, when Soham Vasmi was my first piece. So now when I look at it, I say it's very simple, but it was so strong musically and, you know, that Pallavan is, I mean, there are many, Spuran that's new now, Vadya, many pieces, but each one is different calling.
Correct. Acha, so as a dancer, we all have, you know, some performances will always stay with us. I know one of your performance which is very personal to you, so I don't want you to say that one, which I remember when you first presented your Odissi in Odisha in front of the Gurus, and you have mentioned that. I would like to know, apart from that particular performance, because the performance itself is so special, all legends of Odissi, any experience which you recall, it can be, you know, sometimes in living room of your house, maybe it cannot be a stage performance. So is there any experience you felt like this is what makes me happy when I dance? Is any personal anecdote, any performance experience?
No, I think our presentation in Brazil,
Okay.
you know, we had a 15-day, every day performances.
Wow.
And people would come back day after day after
Wow.
day. I mean, it was an amazing. I can't imagine this kind of, and they would cry, imagine touched
Right.
by the performance. So I would say Brazil and that experience of being in Sao Paulo
Wow.
was really, really great. And it stayed with me.
Correct. Also, as you mentioned Brazil, and it leads to the next question. And I was about to come there. Ki a lot of time when you do international shows where you are performing and traveling with a troupe or solo, do you think about the pieces where you are doing, or you go with, I'm going to how do you perceive with the international audience who those do not understand language? I mean, in that case, even in India, we have so much different languages that many people do not understand here as well. But when you, at least we have some idea, understand Sahitya.
I like to present as
What?
it is.
Correct.
Pure. Mangalacharan, Pallavi, Ashtapadi, Abhinaya. Whenever I've danced abroad, I've tried to give the
Authentic,
solo
correct.
essence of
Right.
what it is. And it reaches out. It's not that you have to, Ashtapadi or how will they understand?
Right.
So, if you think they don't, how will they understand? They do receive. If the artist is has some capability, you can reach out.
Correct. So you keep it as
I keep it
traditional
as it is.
okay. So this was the good part of it. I always ask gurus or the people I interview, do you remember, some of the days, you don't have to name anybody or any program, where everything is in chaos? Why I'm asking, there are many young people who think, why it's happening with me? Oh, there is this problem.
No.
Do you remember?
It happens.
So do you remember any story like you were like, why me? Why this is happening? Do you remember any story about?
No, not a particular story,
Okay.
but it is very normal that,
Okay.
you're very well rehearsed, बड़े पता नहीं महीनों आपने रिहर्सल करी है,
Correct.
सब रिहर्सल बढ़िया हुई, स्टेज पे जाके गड़बड़ हो गई. तो मैं तो हमेशा अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ये कहती हूँ कि स्टेज पे क्या होता है वो आपके हाथ में है ही नहीं.
है ही नहीं.
It nothing. आप बढ़िया आपने you have hired the best lighting professional, वो ठीक टाइम पे आएगा ही नहीं लाइट. It's not in your hands.
Right.
So गड़बड़ होना तो it's a part of.
Correct.
You have to take it in your stride and not be disturbed by it. For example, you have danced also so many
Right.
places. Have you ever found a clean stage?
Oh,
जिसपे धूल नहीं हो.
नहीं, वो तो बहुत शायद वो भूल ही
I don't know
जाते
how
हैं.
many stages I've cleaned in this
Wow.
country.
This is the best way to say, how many stages I have cleaned in this country. Okay. So now we are almost like at the end of this thing. So I have a very fun question. I mean, I thought it is going to be fun. So it's kind of a rapid fire. If you were to, okay. So if you were a bird, what bird would you be?
I have a very beautiful small bird
Okay.
in my garden.
Okay.
Little blue, I don't know the name,
Okay.
but just very small, and it goes from one tree to the other in a
Correct.
very
Oh, wow.
nice flight.
Like a hummingbird kind of thing.
It's not a hummingbird, but
Something.
it's little blue green.
Okay.
Very small.
Sure. If you are a weeb or a textile, what would you be?
Oriatic se.
Odia textile. Okay, how lovely. If you are a raga, what raga would Madhuri
Rag
ji
is difficult because I like many rags.
You have to choose one.
Shuddha Kalyan.
Shuddha Kalyani? Okay.
Kalyan.
Kalyan, okay. If you were a dance composition, what dance composition would you be?
Difficult because Ashtapadi also I love, and pure dance, of course, I love.
But still, no, you have to choose one.
Okay, Pallavi.
You said both no. Okay. So I think that was the only not very difficult questions. I kept it very simple. Okay, now the last thing. From here, when we see, and I mean, I know it's very cliche to say, ki, what message would you like to give? But let's be real. There are many people who look up to you, and there are इतने सारे बच्चे हैं जो अपने घर से निकल के आ जाते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी आपने उनको किसी तरीके से छुआ है जीवन में. कभी उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस देखा, शायद कोई इंटरव्यू देखा हो, शायद कुछ ऐसा हो जो छू के चला जाता है, जैसे आपने बोला. व्हाट डू यू थिंक after looking at all the difficulties or the, gloomy days or like the, moonlight or the dark night, what is that one thing you feel, if you were to say to them, what do you think will be that? And I have last question and then I will end, promise.
No, I would say if your guru thinks you're talented,
Right.
Many people learn. But if your guru tells you that you have the possibility of becoming a soloist, keep to it. एकदम से performance मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. But if you're really good, you will find. If your guru thinks you're good, you will find a platform. So keep at it. Disappointment है, help नहीं है, musicians मुश्किल हैं, बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल रहना. आप कहाँ से आके दिल्ली में रह रहे हो? दिल्ली जैसी जगह में, कैलकाटा चलो फिर भी it's cheaper to live. To live in Delhi, it's not easy.
10 to 15
I sympathize it, and I really admire all these young people who come and stay. And I really wish I could do something for them.
I wanted this to be the last, but there is another question emerged now. Guru, you said the right guru. How one knows what is the right guru? I have to. I can't.
सौभाग्य भाग्य की बात.
Right. ये ऐसे नहीं पता है कि मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा.
मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. और बेचारा अब कोई छोटे टाउन में बहुत टैलेंटेड बच्चा है, अब उसको कैसे पता कि कौन सा कहाँ गुरु? बाई चांस कुछ हो किसी इंटरव्यू में कोई, ये मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है.
Do you think the saubhagya, the kismet, the destiny has bigger role to play as an artist in general, or as
it certainly has some, because I see a lot of young talent, very good, but they have not much, not many places to show their art.
Correct.
Because they have that possibility of rising higher. So that, I think.
If you would meet the 25-year-old Madhavi Madgal now, what would you tell her?
What would I tell her?
Yeah.
At that time, I was dancing. Yeah, I had decided no architecture, dance. But what would I tell her? Learn.
I mean, Madhavi, you have learned so much. I mean,
no,
really.
When you learn, you realize you have to learn more.
And you don't know anything.
You have to explore more. You have to know more music. You have to know more literature. You have to study, So that. And of course, keep your head in place.
Keep your head in place. So I think that was really wonderful talking to you. And I just wanted to keep it about you, not the performer only, the person. And it also reflects in your house, I would say. I mean, there is so much space to think, and that was the beauty of the space. And I am so much thankful for agreeing to do this, and that it really means a lot. And I'm not sure how this is going to help anybody, but it's like just sending your energy to the people who may get inspired, या जो शायद इसको देख के कुछ सीखे, उसके लिए I'm so grateful. Thank you so much once again for being part of it.
Thank you, Vinay. Let me tell you, I'm an admirer of yours, your dance and photography.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And with that, this episode comes to an end. Yes, it is not a podcast, but an interview. Interview series where again I'm telling you that I'm going to explore artists who makes me feel inspired, and I hope you can learn something from them, and choose what you want to do in life, and just be ready to do whatever it takes. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.